My name is Elena Miskell and I am doing art direction and set design on set today. Not much that my hands are taking care of besides a little bit of wrist props. I'm looking forward to how everything unfolds. It's a beautiful day, around beautiful people, and it's been fun so far. Yeah, it's going well. I'm looking forward to tomorrow in the studio. So.
Set up for the bedroom scene, so we're kind of switching the set. We first shot a newsroom scene this way. Now we're using the other half of the room. We have a bed. We have what looks like an apartment, and yeah, we're gonna shoot that. It's probably the biggest scene in the entire film.
Send them over here all the way, all right?
So yeah, it's gonna be fun. A couple of shots of that in mind.